Okay, we're at 1809 Early Bird in the Hawks Point area. This is a nice corner lot. Nice street. Just taking a quick look around. So let's go. The front door is actually on the side of the house. So let's go in. Okay, when you come in the front door, there's a hallway leading off to the left here. There's one bedroom that might be more kind of an office type of bedroom. It does have a closet, and it does fit. This looks like a queen size bed, so it definitely can be used as a bedroom, but it'd make a nice office as well, or den or something like that. So coming in to the great room, you have the dining area, kitchen area, flowing right into the living room itself, or what we'll call the family room. I'm going to swing around and look back at the kitchen. Nice sized kitchen, nice granite countertops. Lots of cabinets. Newer appliances. Nice tile floor throughout. The washer and dryer is right here behind these double doors. So those close off. And through here is the garage. Pretty full of stuff right now, but it's a nice two-car garage. So swinging back, you come through the kitchen, and as you can see, it just flows nicely right into the dining area and the great room. So it's nice and wide open. Good amount of windows. So it gets nice light in here. As we go through the family room, we've got the sliding door that leads to the backyard. So there's a little covered lanai space right here. It's got room for a chair or two. And then you've got the backyard itself, which has got privacy fence on two sides. There is not a privacy fence set up on the other side, on the street side, but one can be easily put in so that you can have a totally private backyard. Swinging back around, going back into the family room. Heading off to the right, we've got the master bedroom and the master bath. There's a large king-size bed in here, which fits absolutely fine. A couple of windows to the backyard. Swinging back around, there's the door we just came into the family room. And there's a walk-in closet right here. So, good size walk-in closet. Coming back in the bedroom, we now look over at the master bathroom. It's got one sink and a standing shower. Back through the master bedroom, we'll go back through the family room, and now Let's head to the other side of the house where there's another bedroom and a bathroom. So remember, this is that one bedroom that could be used as a den or office space. And then back this way, we've got a full bathroom with tub. And then another full bedroom. Looks like another, maybe this is a double bed in here. But it's a good size for a guest room. Window out to the street. Swinging back around, we've got a closet back here, which just opens to a standard hanging closet. And then we head back out into this hallway, which takes us back to the beginning. Again, front door, on through into the family and dining space. That's it.